Hello my beautiful friends, this is me, Jasmine here today, and today I want to show you our hair care routine for the curly hair. I'm gonna be going through the main reason why your curly hair feeling dry. Let's get jump in. Hello, my name is Jasmine, sales manager from K Hair Factory. You know your curly hair is generally thick in density and it needs more attention. Many factors can lead to damage curls. Damage to your curls can be caused by the first one is excessive shampoo. Washing your hair every day with shampoo cleans the dust and pollution from your scalp. But shampooing every day may interrupt the process of natural oil production from your scalp. If your sebum oils decrease, it will make your hair dry and dull. The second one is overuse of styling tools. Many people use styling tools like hair strengthener to manage the curls, but using this regularly can damage your curls. The heat sting will make your hair extremely dry and break it blonde. The third one is less sebum production. The major reason for your curly hair is less sebum production, and it can happen due to various reasons. While using too much shampoo is also one of the reasons. Certain medication can also reduce the sebum production of your body. The third one is hair bleach. If you have bleached your hair without taking required amount of precaution, it can adversely impact your hair. Bleach is potent enough to make your hair dry and rough. It can also make your hair setting. Last but not least, sun exposure. Overexposure to the sun can make severe damage to your hair. It destroys your outer layer of your hair shaft and make it dry and extremely brittle. That's the only reason why your curly hair get dry, and I have some tips for your hair. The first tip I want you to know is massage your hair with the horse oil before going to bed and leave it overnight. The second tip is using the deep conditioning hair mask at least once or twice a week if you have a curly hair. The last tip is using hair sebum or leave-in conditioner if you want to keep your hair hydrated. That's a video for today. I hope this video is useful for your curly hair. Don't forget to leave a comment, like and subscribe for more video on the K Hair YouTube channel. And I leave my WhatsApp number here if you want to get the best advice for your hair and business. Thanks for watching.